Hello, my fellow Aldi addicts. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, which means I'm back at Aldi. I'm going to go get my week of groceries. We actually have a really small haul this week because one, I went to Wal-Mart yesterday. Two, I have an Imperfect Foods, mainly fruit delivery coming tomorrow. And then three, we are eating out or not at our house essentially 3 times this week. So between all 3 of those factors, it's a smaller haul, but I'm still excited to get in, get a few goodies and surprises for my kids. And don't forget, at the end, I'm going to share with you my meal plan for the week. I will be sharing the Walmart haul with you right after this one as well. Let's go. I always have some sort of a lunch crunch and I've never bought them these, 93 cents. We're going to give them a try. Bread for toast peanut butter sandwiches, 95 cents. Skipping most fruits this week because I have it coming in my Imperfect Foods, but I want more blueberries for lunches, $2.49. We are having salads a couple times this week, so I want radishes to put on them. I love radishes, $1.19, and then I'm going to get cucumbers for my kids' lunches. Well, these are cute. Oh, and they're called cute cucumbers. Guess I'll get these, $3.69. For salads this week, $3.29. That one looks pretty good. Okay, none of this was on my list to get, but my daughter and I love cherry and we love having fruit spread on charcuterie, so I'm gonna get this to try. $2.49. I swear this raspberry preserves is the secret to the best raspberry thumbprints. I made them last week. Anyone that tries them loves them. Highly recommend. I wanted to get pepperoncinis because we're running low, but they don't have any. But I'm making Olive Garden salads this week to go with dinner, so $1.99. I'm gonna get this to toss the lettuce in. I wanted to get just chocolate chip granola bars, but they don't have just the chocolate chips, so I'm gonna get the peanut butter chip ones. $1.85. My 12-year-old's been enjoying eating these on the go. I'm going to get 3 energy shots, $1.19 a piece for my husband who doesn't drink coffee. Juice boxes to get us through the week of lunches, $2.79. These are so cute. Sneaker boots, adorable. Lots of stuff. Slippers, bins, candles, oils, masks, an espresso maker. Wow. Moscow mule mugs. Lots of gift things that are fun here. Pet sequin shirts. Oh, ladies thermal socks. That's nice. $6.99. Bunch of them. Oh, kids boots. Baby's first shoe. That's adorable. Cat den. Scratch house. So many things here. I think we bought this in the past for my cats. Pretty good value there. I'm just so sick of cleaning up cat toys. I don't want more right now. Oh, gadget decals. That's funny. Super Mario, PlayStation, Friends, Harry Potter. If you have any gamers, looks like they have lots of fun things for that. Lots of different tool sets. Oh my gosh, I am in love with the world's smallest toys. I think they're so cute, and this is a fabulous price for them. So I think I'm gonna get some of these for my kids' stockings. Let's see. Like this Etch-a-Sketch actually works, which is crazy. I think I'm gonna do these 3. They have so many toys. I'm missing a lot of them, but these Pet Alives my kids have always loved. More boots. There's so many shoes and boots. I don't know how Aldi keeps making them. Little people, accessories, cry babies. A lot of this is being marked down already. My kids each have one of these and they love them. They're so squishy and stretchy. It's like current day Stretch Armstrong. Definitely recommend those. I'm running low on my face cream, so I'm gonna get 1 of each. I'm getting parchment paper for baking. We don't always have this in our store, so I love holidays when they get it. $2.59. And aluminum foil, $3.29. Hello, Aldi. When will you start carrying cottage cheese again? I need butter, but this price doesn't make me happy. I'm gonna get 2 packs still because holiday baking is in full effect. $3.98 for both, or each. This is a fun end cap. Lots of holiday treats and coffees. I didn't realize that was coffee till I got closer. Different teas, cookies, 12 Days of Christmas, chocolate. My 6-year-old requested we make homemade pizzas, so we're gonna do that tonight. Pizza sauce, $1.38. I'm making chicken cutlets, $1.59 for panko. I couldn't believe it, but I ran out of paprika this week, so I'm gonna get 2 so I don't do that again. I use a lot of paprika, 97 cents. I spy with my eye 1 water, 78 cents. Lots of yummy desserts down here. Ice creams, bars, donuts, pies. Oh, cranberry feta puff pastries, yum. Those are $5.29. Grease delicacy, cinnamon swirl pastries, $4.99. The shrimp rolls are still around. Oh, I love this. We actually have 3 things of dried gnocchi, but we love these Christmas gnocchis every year. I'll have to remember that for next week. $4.19. Pizzas. That's an interesting one. We didn't have lo mein last week, so I have these still from last week to have this week. Lots of the same things in this cupboard, and all of the holiday meats. And a random kielbasa on the floor. Pizza needs mozzarella, $3.49. I'm making up a cheesy gnocchi cauliflower soup, but I'm gonna use cauliflower rice, $2.09. Well, there's a whole bunch of items over here. It is a true mess. Everything's kind of everywhere, but these lounge robes look really nice. I have something similar. I got at Amazon. A bunch of rugs, all the bins. Lots of stuff has been gone through here. Pet vacuum. I would have loved this when my kids were younger. That's really nice. Poinsettias are still here. Wow, lots of leftover Thanksgiving goods on clearance. Not getting any of it. I lied, I'm not getting the stuffing. It's on clearance for $1.15, but it looks really good. And I just have to add some celery and onion and butter. I keep hoping I'll find one of the 12 Days of Christmas Connolly's advent calendars. I don't know if they'll do it this year, but it's not here yet. Advent calendars being half off, that makes sense since we're getting into the countdown. This is cute. I think our elf will bring these Andes mints for $1.98. Everyone likes those. Easy. Here it is. Here's my cart. What's my total? It's a miracle. I only used 1 bag and my total was $74.86. Popcorn chicken, $2.96. Elsie just asked for it, so her and Cal will split it when we get home as part of their lunch. Also gonna get a bunch of green onions. Aldi has not had these in a while and they're only 88 cents. I normally would buy this at Aldi, but I want it for tonight and I'm not going to Aldi till tomorrow, so spinach, $2.28. One of the reasons I wanted to come to Walmart was for basil, and I can't tell. Neither of them look super good, but this one is my best bet. I'll have it later in the week. I'll try to take care of it so it grows. They're $2.98. Okay, so I'm actually putting the basil back because once you look down lower, no thanks. Guys, I need it to be documented that I do say no to my kids. I'll say no. You guys, Elsie's at it again, $3.48. I don't know when we're gonna have this, but we're getting it. No one bring your kid to the store. They're expensive. $2.28 for peanuts. Okay, we're getting this candy coating. My husband's making Oreo truffles, so we need the candy coating. It's $3.47. And then also we need a can of sweetened condensed milk. He uses that instead of cream cheese. So here is sweetened condensed milk. It's $1.94. Elsie suggested getting 2 just in case, and I told her that is actually not a bad idea. It is shelf stable, so we're gonna get 2 of them. Okay, so one of the real reasons we came here today was to get storage containers for our Christmas baking. I'm gonna get 2 of these. It's so 4 in total, $5.38 a piece, and then I'm gonna get 1 of these at $4.16. So I'll end up having a total of 7 different containers. We have been using the same ones year after year, but my lids have broken, they've chipped. I just need to replace them. They last quite a while. And we put these in our Michigan fridge, which is known as our garage. Okay, so we got what we came for. Elsie added a little bit, but she also added Joy. Any guess on the totals? Okay, 35.32 is our total. Okay, so our meal plan this week, I'm making homemade pizzas and salad. I'm just gonna use the Olive Garden dressing. I wanted to toss it with pepperoncinis. I only have a few of them. I'll probably still use them. Some Parmesan cheese, croutons. I have everything else on hand. So that'll be a fun dinner. My son has been requesting homemade pizza dough, so we're gonna do that. I'm making up a cauliflower gnocchi soup. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a recipe that's linked below and then add gnocchi to it, make more broth to help cook the gnocchi, and I'm using cauliflowered rice instead of a head of cauliflower. Probably doesn't make much sense, but I'll link the inspiration below, but I'm not following an actual recipe, so I don't know how it'll turn out. But a cheesy, hearty soup sounded good, and that's what came to my mind, and I have lots of gnocchi on hand. I'm going to make chicken cutlets. I have frozen chicken pre-cut breast that I'm going to use. I'm going to thaw it out, and then we're going to have a salad bar. We are going to my brother-in-law's birthday dinner, so we're not eating dinner here that night. My in-laws are giving my husband and I a date night, so my kids will eat with them, and he and I will go out somewhere. And then we're also going out of town to look at Christmas lights and walk around. It's somewhere we go every year, and we just enjoy it, and we go out to eat at a restaurant that's kind of in the middle of the lights. It's a Christmas tradition we do every year, so we're 3 nights that we're not eating at home, which means I have a easier week in the kitchen, but this is what our plan is. If you want to see how I make pizza dough, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.